Well, a well-timed move there by Kenyok. He waited until the movie star rider swung to the right, took the opportunity to race up the left-hand side and hit them hard. It's a very long way.
Oh,
There's a crash.
Astana is down. 2 Orica have gone down there. I think 2 Astana have gone down. Now that's disturbed the whole rhythm of the riders, as now it looks as though Tinkoff going to make the most of this if they can. I think it's wiped out Kenyok. Yes, it has, as he drops to the back now. Robbie, that's a great shame, but Cannondale might profit from this.
Yeah.